simplifying rational expressions, adding and subtracting rational expressions, multiplying, dividing rational expressions. The whole point is so that you can solve them.
Yeah.
Now we put an equal sign with it, and then you just solve it. Yeah, it's actually very simple. If you grasp what we've done in the last few sections, then you're just solving it.
That's not
If you
good.
did, then it's more torture.
Oh.
So example 1, which typically math is torture.
Yeah.
So those two words are synonymous.
Same.
Similar. A over A plus 4 plus 1/3 equals negative 12 over A plus 4. Okay, now just like in pre-algebra, you must simplify each side separately. So like this is one problem, this is another problem. Well, this side doesn't need anything. But this side needs something.
The like bottoms.
Yep. Like bottoms.
Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is.
What?
Is it 3a plus a over 4 over 3a plus 4?
No.
Alright, stop. Let me start with something else here.
Wow.
Reggie, go ahead and get this.
Alright.
2x over 3 plus
I don't see it.
4/5 equals 2/15. What is the common denominator in the whole equation?
15.
Alright. Get a common denominator in all of it. So I multiply this by 5 over 5, this by 3 over 3, and that's done. I don't have to multiply by anything. So now I get 10x over 15 plus 12 over 15 equals 2 over 15. What would happen if I multiply the whole thing by 15 now? Remember, I can multiply by anything I want as often as I want, as long as I follow the rules. Whenever you multiply in an equation, you must do it to all terms. What we did here was we were getting a common denominator to put things together. Okay, so now, if I multiply everything by 15, the denominator goes away, doesn't it? Once you get a common denominator in the whole equation, just rewrite the equation without it. 10x plus 12 equals 2. Can you solve that equation?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back to this one. What's the common denominator in the whole equation?
Wow.
12. Wait, no.
Okay, let's back up, everybody. Here's what you did last week. How do I put these two together? Least common denominator. Oh my gosh. Did you say 3 plus 4?
You multiply both sides.
Cameron, please tell me.
3a plus 12. Oh yeah, a by 3.
Or just 3 times a plus 4.
That's what I said.
Okay. My point is that what you said? Oh, it didn't sound like that's what you said. Alright. So this needs a 3. So you're going to multiply this by 3. This needs what?
A plus 4.
A plus 4. And the right side, what does it need?
3.
It needs 3. Okay, now that the denominators are going to be the same, just get rid of them. So we have 3a plus a plus 4. Please stop clicking your pen. Equals negative 36.
Yeah, wait, what?
Now, does everybody understand, based on this example over here, why the denominator is gone?
No.
If I multiply by 15, don't the 15s reduce?
Oh, yeah.
1.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I would do here, after I get all of the denominators the same, I would multiply by the common denominator on every term, and they would reduce to 1. Just like these reduce to 1, leaving just a 10x over 1. So that's the whole point. Once you get a common denominator, just take it out. Okay?
Alright.
Okay, everybody should understand that when you multiply by common denominator, they reduce. Okay, you're all sitting there like you don't know anything. First day in algebra. All right, now finish it. 4. Okay, this is 4a. Plus 4 equals negative 36. Subtract the 4. 4a equals negative 40. Divide off of 4. A equals negative 10. Is that what we said?
Yeah.
We got it right. All right. Is everybody okay?
Yes.
All right, let's see if you can actually do it by yourself this time. Example 2. N over n minus 11 minus 1 equals 22 over n squared minus 5n minus 66. I saved the hard one for you guys.
Thank you.
All right, I'll give you 2 minutes. Ugh. You guys done?
Oh, that one.
Just sitting there, not writing anything down.
Yeah, I did. Actually, I do have it solved.
I know. How's it going to be done? Difference between a and a B. Or a minus and an A. Oh, why is the one stumping you people? Yeah.
I got the answer.
Where is it? Write it down.
That is the denominator.
Oh, I want the answer. What's in?
Oh,
Gotta solve. There's an equal sign up there. Solve it. Oh, why? Why is the one stumping you people? Over half the class doesn't have this. First of all, what's this factor into?
Minus 11
oh.
How many people got that much?
Bro, here.
Alright, so what is this missing?
Oh.
You need an n plus 6. Now, 1 is the same thing as n minus 11 times n plus 6 over n minus 11 times n plus 6. Isn't that 1?
Yeah, that's what I have.
Oh. Alright.
People. Fractions. Alright, now that they all have the same denominator, we have, I'm just going to rewrite it first. N times n plus 6 minus n minus 11 n plus 6 equals 22. Now, yes, you need to put things together by like terms. Yeah, but who got this far? Okay. The one really caught you guys off guard, yeah.
On the 1, why do you have n minus 11 and plus 6?
Okay, so let me ask you this: if this said n plus 1 here, what does my denominator have to be for it to be the same as everything else? So what would I multiply the denominator by?
15.
Okay, but I have to multiply the top by 15 too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's 15 times 1? Okay, so really what you just said was, if it's a 1, it just becomes the common denominator over itself.
Yeah.
The common denominator here is these two factors. So whenever you have a 1, it's just the common denominator over itself. That's where it came from. And yes, this is why this is in chapter 12, not Algebra Chapter 2. Okay? Because we're trying to get you past the simplicity of just single digits. All right, this is n squared plus 6n. Now don't forget this minus sign is on the whole thing here, so I'm going to put these brackets up here. Figure this out first. N squared minus 11n plus 6n minus 66. And now minus n squared. This right here is minus 5n, but I'm minusing that, so that's plus 5n. Minus 66 minus that is plus 66. Finish it. Just awkward. Oh, okay. That was the wrong one. Thank you, the n squareds cancel, or they're gone. I have a 6n and a 5n, that's 11n, plus 66. Subtract the 66. 11n equals negative 44. Divide off the 11. And equals, who beat you down?
I wasn't even close.
Now who got that from the beginning without any help from me? Okay. Alright, so what are we really doing today? Nothing different from last week other than
Yourself.
once you get a common denominator, get rid of it. And just write at the top. Okay? And then it's back to, this right here is just pre-algebra. Okay, but you got to get there. Alright, your assignment. Should you choose to accept it? You don't ever have to do your assignment. It's just that you get a 0 if you don't.
Oh, well,
And a grade.
recommend to